Do you have an interest in the future of Kaspa? Within the scope of this video, we will investigate the projections of the price of Kaspa for the year 2025 and investigate the potential value of 400 Kaspa. Be sure not to miss out on this fascinating cryptocurrency forecast. Link in the description. And without further ado, please enjoy the video. Now back to the theme of today's show. Now before we go with the video, I would want to mention that if you guys are interested in trading cryptocurrency, I have collaborated with BYDFI, a cryptocurrency exchange that does not require you to provide your KYC information. BYDFI is offering a 10% deposit cashback bonus, a lifetime VIP2 membership, and 20% off futures costs. If you sign up by utilizing the link that I have put below, do you have any idea what has been going on in the market all of this time makes you question whether or not this is in fact a bull run? You would think that there would be lengthy green candles everywhere and that every cryptocurrency trader would be smiling if that were the case. It is true that we are currently experiencing a bull run. It is really just getting started at this point. When Bitcoin went on an exciting run, during which it went from trading at approximately $90,000 to trading at approximately $108,135 per coin, newcomers to the market might have believed that the market was gone. All of this transpired without the big alternative cryptocurrencies exhibiting a considerable amount of movement. That was, without a doubt, a cause for concern for a great number of people who were just entering the market. Considering all of the low-cap currencies that have been bagged in preparation for the bull run, is it possible that the cryptocurrency market could produce some favorable results this time around? Even Ethereum, the most widely used alternative cryptocurrency, has not yet reached a new high. On the other hand, what would be the hope for other cryptocurrencies, such as the Kaspa token and the people who own them? One Kaspa coin was trading at approximately 1,145 cents per coin at the time that this video was being recorded. If you want to purchase up to 400 tokens, you will be looking at a total capital expense of approximately $4,589. A market capitalization of around $2.91 billion is associated with the coin. Since the beginning of December, the price of the coin has been quite stable, hovering anywhere between 10 and 16 cents. Price action has only ever acted as though it might surpass its previous all-time high value of approximately 20 cents, which it reached back in August of 2024. This is the only time that this has ever occurred. You would have accumulated a value of up to $8,000 if you had purchased up to 400 automobiles throughout that time period. By the time the coin reached 20 cents from its current value at the time of recording, you would have delighted in a profit that was greater than $3,400. This would have been the case if you had purchased the same quantity of coins at the current value earlier, but had traded for an exchange load without satisfying it and lost on you. Not until very recently did it become a token that garnered a significant amount of interest. As you can see, the Kaspa blockchain was introduced after the bull run that occurred between 2021 and 2022 had relapsed. The bears had a fairly solid grip on the market, and they were unsuccessful. It has gone a long way from being the coin that used to trade for approximately 183 cents, and its all-time low value was just a step below that, being established at approximately 1,699 cents. It has certainly come a long way. When you take into account the present pricing, you will discover that the very few investors who had anticipated the potential of Kaspa in 2022 were in for a real treat. As can be seen from the charts, the value of the coin has increased by approximately 67112%, as reported by CoinMarketCap. That is around 670 times, with approximately 3 zeros removed from the equation. If you had a total of $10 to invest in Kaspa at the time, you would have been able to purchase approximately 58 KAS tokens, which would have allowed you to purchase 40,000 Kaspa at the all-time low valuation of approximately 0.0001699. If you had followed a strategy of long-term holding, your $7 would have been worth approximately $8,000. You would only spend about $7. This is the typical thought that comes to mind when we think about coins that we have purchased and then sold before their expiration date, or coins that we have never purchased at all. On the other hand, regardless of the level that certain coins have achieved, we cannot help but speculate about what they may bring in the future. There was a time when we could see cryptocurrencies like Ethereum trade at around $100, but later on, it skyrocketed to as high as $4,800 right in front of our eyes, and we were powerless to stop it. One could say the same thing about people who were unable to get their hands on Bitcoin while it was in its early stages. This is the reason why everyone is going crazy and searching for the next best alternative cryptocurrency that has what could be the best use case that will make it significant not only for the sake of cryptocurrency trading, but also for real-world usage. On the other hand, despite the fact that there has been a massive influx of new cryptocurrency initiatives entering the market one after the other, very few of them have been able to compete with Kaspa blockchain and its revolutionary blockchain solutions that are groundbreaking. Every time the ordinary individual wakes up to learn about the cryptocurrency sector, the first thing that they hear is almost exclusively about blockchain and how fantastic of a solution it provides. That being said, there are additional groundbreaking approaches that can be utilized in order to achieve the answer that blockchains bring about. Kaspa, for example, employs a block DAG design in order to circumvent the scalability problems that are typically associated with regular blockchain implementations. It relied on the Ghost DAG protocol, which is a proof-of-work technique that is comparable to the framework that Bitcoin uses. This technology ensures that transactions are processed in a secure and quick manner. Bitcoin is essentially a form of augmented currency. Kaspa is distinguished from other cryptocurrencies on the market due to its exceptional capacity to sustain high block rates while yet preserving a high level of security. When it comes to matters of governance and security, the absence of centralized governance fosters transparency and results in progress that is led by the community. Kaspa is essentially a community initiative that is run on a platform that is open source. Because it makes use of a unique protocol that enables the processing of numerous blocks at the same time, it stands out as a cryptocurrency that is both more efficient and speedier. This feature provides a solution to the issue of sluggish and inefficient transaction processing, which is a problem that traditional cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin experience regularly. Because Kaspa is a proof-of-work blockchain, it adheres to the same security rules as Bitcoin, which helps to maximize its level of safety. Kaspa is able to proficiently manage a huge number of transactions in a short amount of time while yet maintaining a high level of security because to its proof-of-work system, particularly with the Dagnite protocol, which is an upgraded consensus algorithm that is considered to be faster and more secure than GhostDAG, which is currently the algorithm that regulates